our fabric naman, ang gamit natin na fabric is premium quality Korean ITY cotton spandex. Usually, yung mga ganitong fabric is makikita lang sa mga mall, department store, and even sa mga signature clothing. So, ayan, makakasigurado po kayo na yung fabric na gamit namin is premium quality. Ayan, yung fabric po natin is very soft and smooth po niyan. And then, ayan, hindi po siya basta-basta naghihimol-mol, hindi po siya basta-basta naglulus, as long as hindi po siya babrashed. Ayan, konting babad, konting kusot, then for the go na po siya. And energy efficient din po siya kasi no need to iron na. Ayan. Hindi nyo na po siya kailangan plansyahin kasi sobrang bagsak ng ating top. Ayan. So, ayan, i-check out nyo na po yung ating K10 double lining front and back. For our pink shade po, so we have here cashmere rose, dusty pink, and then nude pink. Forest green and winter moss, light gray and ash gray, fairy lavender, baby blue, pastel yellow, and then white. Ayan. Double lining po tayo front and back ha. No bakat, no see-through po tayo dito. So, mahaba din po yung sleeves natin. So, kilikili safe po siya. And then, full length po tayo, hindi po tayo crop. I'm wearing sizes small to medium. Ayan. For your reference po, my height is 5'1". Bust line is 33, waistline is 27 po. But as you can see, stretchable pa po siya sa akin.